Tired of scrolling through endless work-from-home jobs that want a degree, 5 years of experience, and your soul? What if I told you there are real companies hiring right now? No degree, no experience, just your laptop and Wi-Fi. Stick around, and don't forget to click the link in the description to start making a full-time income from home. Hey everyone! If you're dreaming of ditching the commute, working from a beach in Bali or your cozy couch, but keep hitting walls because every listing wants experience for an entry-level gig, this video is your shortcut. I'm handing you 6 dead simple remote jobs that are posting openings, no degree, no prior role, just a laptop and Wi-Fi. You'll walk away knowing exactly what each pays, what you'll do all day, where to apply, and the one-line trick to get your application noticed. No fluff, no upsells, just actionable steps. Let's roll. First, customer support via chat. Think of it as texting for money. Companies realized bots can't calm an angry shopper, so they hire real people to handle live chats, emails, or social DMs. You solve issues like, "Where's my package?" or "Why won't this coupon work?" without ever picking up a phone. Pay starts at $13 an hour and climbs to $29 once you handle multiple chats at once. Arise shells out $16 to $23 for retail clients, Alarica pays $15 to $20 for tech help, and Foundever hits $17 to $26 for bilingual roles. To apply, visit ariseworkfromhome.com, alorica.com, or foundever.com. The links are also provided in the description. In your cover letter, drop this line: "I juggle 3 group chats daily without missing a beat. Bring on your customers." Boom, you're in the shortlist. Click the link in the description to start making a full-time income from home like this. Next, data entry, the quiet millionaire maker nobody brags about. You're the human spell check for spreadsheets. Copy-paste product details, update client addresses, or clean CRM lists so sales teams don't chase ghosts. It's repetitive, yes, but stack 2 contracts and you're at $50 to $68K a year from your kitchen table. ClickWorker pays per microtask. If you're fast, you can comfortably pull around $20 an hour. Robert Half posts remote data clerks at $19 to $25 hourly. FlexJobs lists verified gigs daily. Go to clickworker.com, roberthalf.com/search, jobs keyword data entry remote, or flexjobs.com and filter entry level. Pro move: create a sample Google Sheet with fake inventory, screenshot it, attach to every app. Proof you're already doing the work. Third, virtual admin assistant. Basically the glue keeping small teams from falling apart. You schedule Zoom calls, format docs, chase invoice approvals, and remind the CEO their dentist appointment is tomorrow. No office politics, just results. Belay hires US-based VAs at $17 to $23 an hour. Time, etc. pays $16 to $21 for global talent. And Fancy Hands dishes micro tasks at $4 to $8 each. Stack 10 and hit 50 daily. Apply at belay.co/virtual assistant jobs, timex.com/become a VA, or fancyhands.com/assistants. Highlight any calendar app you've mastered. Mention Google Workspace or Notion, and you skip the rookie pile. Number 4, online language conversation partner. Native English speakers are gold. Students in China, Brazil, or Spain pay to chat 25 minutes about weather, movies, anything. Cambly activates you in hours. No lesson plans, just talk. Pays 11 cents a minute, around $13 an hour. Italki lets you set 20 to 31 an hour once you upload a 2-minute intro video. Pre-ply averages 16 to 26 after the platform cut. Jump on cambly.com/tutors, italki.com/teachers/apply, or preply.com/n/online/English-tutors. Record your video on your phone, smile, say, "I make small talk fun." Hit submit. Students book within days. Fifth, content moderation, the internet's bouncer. You scan TikTok comments, Facebook groups, or Discord servers and delete spam, fights, or worse before they blow up. TELUS International pays $15 to $19 an hour for English cues. Appen runs moderation projects at $14 to $21. And Mod Squad covers gaming communities at $13 to $21. Visit telusinternational.com/career search content moderator remote, appen.com/contribute, or modsquad.com/join the mods. In the skills box, write, "I spot drama in 3 seconds flat," and list any social platform you live on: Reddit, Twitch, Instagram. They want eyes, not degrees. Last, freelance transcription. Turn audio into text and cash. Podcasts, interviews, court recordings, all need typing. Rev pays 35 cents to $1.15 per audio minute. Rush jobs hit $2. Transcribe Me starts at 16 to 23 an hour after their short test. Scribby pays 6 to 21 per audio hour, with bonuses for accuracy. Head to rev.com/freelancers, transcribeme.com/transcription jobs, or scribby.com/freelance. Practice on any YouTube video. Time yourself. Aim for 70 words a minute. Attach a 1-minute sample file. Editors hire speed demons first. There's your 6. Set a phone alarm for tomorrow morning labeled "Check Spam Folder" because test invites land fast. Treat applications like swipes. The more you send, the quicker you match. If you're serious about building a full-time income from home, click the link in the description right now and start your journey today. You've got this. See you on the other side of the world.